Hey, Jay! Now, welcome to my beauty competition, huh?
Let me go. Oh. Smile.
You two, come here.
Yay.
Now it's time to see who will get all my money and who will stay poor.
Please pick me.
I see. You're gonna be rich and you're gonna be poor. Come on. Let's do this. Yeah.
Hello there. It's Lou Henley, the stylist.
Huh? That's a lot of work.
Yeah, you're right. We need a mask.
Face mask machine ready for miracles.
Gold, check.
The more the better. Let's do this. Glamorous. Fabulous. I think it looks ready.
Yeah, you're right, darling. Let's do it.
Just relax now. Slowly. There we go.
Wow! I need a mask too. This can be useful. And eggs? Yes, exactly what I need. My mom always makes a face mask with food. Thanks, Mom. You're a lifesaver. Now, all I have to do is mix everything together. Ready? Let's give this a try. Go away, horrible pimples. You're not welcomed here.
This is so great! Huh? How did she do that?
What? Uh-oh. What is happening?
Oh no! I think my milk is… expired! So refreshing! Let's take a look! Wow, I'm so beautiful!
It worked!
Honey, what's wrong with your teeth? This will help. There we go. Stay still now. Okay, turn around. No, I need help.
Okay, bring it on. No time to lose. This black mask is the best in the market. It has to work.
We need a lot of hands for this mission.
It's getting there.
Marvelous.
This feels so nice and soft!
Wow. Great job, as always.
I don't have any gadgets. What am I gonna do? Ouch! Ew! I've seen this on TikTok. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Did it work? Oh, I think it worked.
Girl, this dress is disgusting. We need to change it right now. Stand up. Absolutely not. That's better. Wow, girl, this is fantastic. Spin around. Oh, this is not gonna work. I will have to use my secret weapon. Oh, come on. Turn around. Fantastic. Job done.
It's so big!
You're welcome.
Easy. Nice. Oh, but this t-shirt. Shoelace, it's your time to shine. Tight, tight, tight. I like it. And now pants. What can I use? Oh, this is perfect. Shh. I love it.
Yeah, check me out. I'm so cool. Whoa, now that's what I'm talking about. Looking good.
Lee, help me!
This will help. And now we have to wait. 1, 2, 5.
Oh, wow!
What can I use? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? wait. Feel ready? Let's take them off. Wow, they feel so big.
Much better, but now let's add some color.
It tastes good too. I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
And now, are you ready for some magic?
Oh, that's nice. I see. I guess you don't need this anymore. Nice.
Oh, girls, such nice lips.
Kiss. Kiss.
No, he's mine.
He likes me.
He loves me.
I have to go.
Oh, he didn't like it.
Honey, what is this hair? You're not 5. We have to change it. This is not enough. We need Ariana Grande ponytail. Almost done. Bellissimo.
Wow, it's so nice. Oh, look, he's there.
So
I have a plan. This is the Rapunzel way. Come to me. You're mine.
No, please, let me go.
Jay! I will save you, my love.
Oh, my hair.
A disaster.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. What about now?
Wow, fabulous.
Look at my awful hair. I need to do something. Aha! We don't need this. Now I need a hair dryer. Here you are. I'm just going to borrow this for a while. First, this side. Looks good already. Now the other side. Brilliant. And voila! Now I feel so pretty.
Do you think I can win now?
Honey, I think you need contouring. This is how I'm going to make you fabulous.
What's this?
That's a new technique, honey. Now we need to blend it.
Oh, wow, I look like Katy Perry.
I need to do my makeup as well. I have to find something in here. There's nothing I can use. So messy. Ew. I can wipe it off. Now let's clean this dirty face. Better. How about smoky eyes? Come on, my lovely newspaper. I don't need money to be pretty. And now, blush. Lovely shiny cheeks. And some for me. Now you're ready.
Thank you, Lou. Gorgeous.
Oh, they're using blush. I need to find something for… Huh?
Hey, you have a present from a secret admirer.
Secret admirer? I wonder who that is.
You're so beautiful. Mwah. No, out!
Let's open this up. I can use this for a blush! Such a nice color. Now let's apply this gently. And a tiny touch on the nose. Perfect. Don't worry. I'll make a special color for you. Pink is so old-fashioned. We need a unique color, a glamorous color.
Wow.
Wait until you see this. This is a famous technique I learned in Paris. Give me your hand. Just a tiny bit on each nail.
Oh,
Marvelous.
that's so beautiful.
Perfect. Just perfect. I want to do my nails too. What about... Yes. Thank you. Sorry, little bear. But your mission is important. Now just a tiny dip, just like they did it. Now I'm ready. Love it.
Yo, 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 time's up. Girls, come here.
Jay,
Calm down,
Jay.
calm down. So now, time to see the results. Yo, results. Go. Kim, before and after. And now Ginger, before and after.
Ginger!
Kim! Kim! Yeah!
Ginger, I won.
But I tried so hard. Not fair.
So here we have the prize. Here it is. And it's all yours.
Thank you, Jay.
Take.
Jay.
Okay, show is over. Bye-bye. Ginger?
Yes.
You okay?
No, I'm sad.
You know, I want to tell you that actually you won.
I won?
You won the main prize. It's me. Yeah.
Jay!
Oh, no paparazzi!